Whenever you go camping, you always want things to be organized, you want things to be accessible, and you want things to be convenient. The Bronco kitchen from Base 10 Equipment has made it so much easier for us to get out and enjoy the out of doors with our family. One of the items that people buy for adventure travel is typically a refrigerator. The reason why? You want fresh food. 12-volt refrigerators have come a long way. Typically, you'll buy one, you'll stick it in the back of your rig, and then you'll pile everything on it, only to find that your refrigerator doesn't function well. It runs constantly, and the reason why is it doesn't have good airflow around it. The other problem is that you can't get things out of it because everything's piled on top of it. The Bronco kitchen has solved this problem by making it so that the refrigerator can slide out independently of the table or anything else, so that if you're doing resupplies, you can actually slide the refrigerator out on its own, reload it, and you're good to go. You want to access a cold drink on the road? It's as simple as grabbing the two lockable handles and sliding it out. You can access everything. There's a slide out table, and in our case, we've mounted the griddle directly to it, and there are attachments for that. The Bronco kitchen also has a wonderful pantry that is accessible even if you have the soft top prop rod in place. This provides a huge amount of storage. We even put our air compressor and recovery equipment in there with all of the camp food items that we have. Go to Base 10 Equipment, check out their Bronco kitchen. Other kitchens will be coming for other products that are out there on the market. There's also going to be a revolutionary roof rack that is coming out very soon for the Bronco soft tops that you've not seen before, and really provides the added functionality we all need. Base 10 also has Blue power stations, so you're not killing your engine battery when you're running that refrigerator at night. Click camp chairs, and they have Baja Designs lights so that you can always see what you're doing. If you have any questions about our Bronco kitchen, Click Chairs, Baja Designs, or Blue products that we offer on our website, please contact us through the website at base10shop.com or through our Facebook page. Thank you, and have a great day.